So here we're looking at an example of permutations that involve cases. So we're trying to create a password that's between 3 and 5 digits. And we have the digits 0 to 9 that we can use, and repetition is allowed. So if the password must be between 3 and 5 digits, we can have a 3-digit password, we can have a 4-digit password, or we can have a 5-digit password. So for the 3-digit password, we have 10 digits available, 0 to 9. And since repetition's allowed, there are 10 choices for the second digit and 10 for the third. So that's a total of 1,000 3-digit passwords possible. So same thing for the 4-digit password. There's 10 choices for the first, second, third, and fourth digit for 10,000. And same for the 5-digit password as well. So once we have all this done, we need to add all the cases together to find the total number of passwords. So 1,000 plus 10,000 plus 100,000 equals 111,000. Now let's look at a very similar example here. We still have a password between 3 and 5 digits, but this time repetition is not allowed. So we still need to consider the 3 cases, the 3, the 4, and the 5-digit password. But when we look at the 3-digit one and consider how many choices you have for the first digit, which is 10, but for the second digit, since repetition is not allowed, there's only 9 choices available for the second digit and only 8 for the third, for a total of 720 3-digit passwords. Same thing for the 4-digit passwords here. I will subtract 1 each time to give me 5,040 when I multiply them together. Multiply. And for the 5-digit password, same thing. Subtract 1 every time because you're not allowed to have repetition here. So that is 30,240. So we'll write that the total number of passwords is 720 plus 5,040 plus the 30,240 for a total of 36,000.